Teaching a squirrel monkey to be potty trained is a tough job, but it's a little bit easier to teach him to wear a diaper. Do that too. So what I do is I open a little hole in one of these preemie diapers, get his tail in through there, pull it like this. He puts his little booty up. We're gonna squeeze this, get this flap here. Good boy, Alfred. Gonna put it here. We're gonna make sure we give him plenty of compliments while we do this. It's a good boy. There we go. And this is the best way to have a clean squirrel monkey because these guys are very poopy and they like to pee all over the place. They mark their territory with their pees, so it's a little bit hard to potty train an animal that wants to mark their territory all over the place. But this diaper keeps it nice and clean while we hang out with him. And of course, he can poop as much as he wants inside of his enclosure.